Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best axe for splitting wood you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best axe for splitting wood in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Wolfix chopping axe. This Wolfix chopping axe isn't going to cost you a fortune, but it offers the features you need from a simple axe or a hatchet. The weighty head aids in creating momentum, but you can expect to feel fatigued when making use of this model as it's not well balanced. While it's not exactly the most comfortable one to utilize, it's able to break wood and produce sparks in small quantities. In tests the status of its budget was evident. The head's blade is less durable than the models with higher prices and the balance does not play in its favor. It's nevertheless sturdy design and is able to get small tasks done. The model is ideal you should keep around for your annual camping trip or similar occasions of use. It's forged carbon steel blade that has been heat treated which increases its strength and increases the durability of the axe. Creates smooth, sharp and swift splits. It remains sharper longer than conventional axes. It is a reliable hand axe for the best performance and durability for a long time. Its chopping blade features a fully polished edge that is easily resharpened using the aid of a file. This weighted wedge style makes cutting firewood and logs an easy task. The balanced head and shaft results in an exceptional camping axe designed for secure, comfortable and reliable use. For details, let's watch more. Our second best axe for splitting wood is Estwing Fireside Axe. If you're in search of an axe with a lot of power, the Estwing Fireside Friends axe could be it. It's constructed in one piece of solid metal, that is an incredible advantage. Estwing's Fireside Friends splitting tool is built into one solid piece. Its length as well as weight provide an advantage and power to facilitate wood splitting. If you're in need of wood for heating during the cold winter months ahead you'll need a wood splitting tool that is effective. The tools for splitting create smaller chunks of wood by breaking wood fibers. They come with a sturdy and robust axe that's not just useful, but also comes with a safety feature you didn't realize you needed. Furthermore, the axe that you are using is specifically designed to absorb some of the shocks that you receive when you chop wood. This is a major benefit as chopping wood quite a task and certainly difficult for your body. The maul that was originally used resembles an axe but has more headspace, which is ideal to cut wood. It also doesn't cause a piece of wood to be wasted. The more wood you have, the less splitting and more enjoyment from the fireplace for a more time. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Fiskars IsoCore Maul. This powerful, tough maul lets you tackle tough wood splitting jobs, and helps reduce joint discomfort. The premium steel is formed into a concave design which is ideal for splitting, allowing you to give you the best swing possible. Fiskars' patented, world-class IsoCore shock control system absorbs the impact and vibration, decreasing the physical strain your body is subjected to, and a dual-layer grip absorbs any vibration that remains. A specially designed blade geometry blasts the tough logs away, and an irreparable riveted head won't slip down or break off, even when you swing with the maximum force. The performance-oriented handle will fit your hand comfortably, and has an accentuated handle flare for safety. The strategically designed texturing of the handle helps increase grip and reduce blisters. IsoCore shock control system absorbs the shock and vibration of strikes to minimize the damage your body is subjected to, transferring 2x less vibration and shock than handles made of wood. An extended grip, shrewd texturing, and a flare to reduce slips make swings more smooth and efficient. The straightforward, robust design used in Fiskars Pro Tools makes this the ideal tool for everyday high-quality performance in any condition. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Fiskars Super Splitting Axe. If you're struggling due to you're the height of splitting wood, you'll enjoy the Fiskars Super Splitting Axe. It's actually designed for taller individuals. This axe was designed to assist you in cutting larger logs. If you've ever cut wood, then you're aware that huge logs can be a pain. Ideal for taller individuals splitting large to medium-sized logs. The design is optimized to provide you with more splits on one stroke. A non-slip, textured grip reduces strain on your hands and helps improve control. Balance and power to weight ratio that is perfect boosts swing speed and increases power, similar to the aluminum baseball bat. A sophisticated convex shape with bevel enhances the power of the blade, easy to take from wood. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best axe for splitting wood list is Steelhead Splitting Axe. The Steelhead 28-inch splitting axe is considered to be the best tool for medium to small wood splitting and cutting tasks. Its non-stick steel head that is molded helps to make deep cuts. The well-balanced design as well as the rubber grip handle that is shock-absorbing aid in taking an effective swing, with less effort. If you've been searching for an axe of high quality that's reliable and extremely affordable, the Steelhead Splitting Axe is the right one for you. An additional safety feature includes the sheath for blades, which makes it ideal for storing the axe on an adventure. It is ideal for splitting larger logs that measure 12 inches and up. Expertly engineered and designed to allow one-strike splits. The axe increases swing speed and the cutting power to make deeper cuts using less force. It has superior shock absorption and dissipation as in comparison to the traditional wooden hand axes. With the inserted head that is joined into the handle, which prevents the head from splitting after repeated usage. Constructed from high-carbon heat-treated steel. Blade is coated with a non-stick, rust-resistant surface that prevents gunk and debris from accumulating on the blade, enhancing cutting efficiency and extending cutting speed.